Superzona. Neka Superzona na Greater Accra, Volta, Uti, and Eastern. You call Presec full try 10 marks. The Amaya 20 finals. Yamia done this year 67. Yes, I could be a top Eastern region. Yes, I could Superzona. This time around, you could do first Superzona. And I call finals. Or KTU, Kufudia Technical University. Yamiadum you could do hono, you could also second in the national level, 67th Independence Quiz Competition at Achisec Senior High School, and yet also me at the national level. Familiar. Your school last year 40 years. Na yes, no do na near old site. You move by new site no be 8 years money. And you might be school no like a nibi. You dika made to a computer facility. Any facilities be support of that computer. The amount grande some year ICT a big challenge. Master no bakopa in our day guide the abana Achisec and ko boy or the nkunyane any tables I be here the aba. And so computers in Yamamidi. And we have one major challenge at school you're facing. And if you are a staff accommodation, student population of about 2,500. And so masters and 9 per a mammy you pen our campus. My supervision is very difficult. Me as a headmaster, many assistant administration and domestic in any academics in or outside the campus. The about supervision is very, very difficult. Yes, say amount for between a bem between a bem all students or na inya accommodation and more of our staffs no mumra no meboa with the supervision. Since your teachers even a devote to one do bra no maba with the supervision around 9 o'clock my breaking now masa coffee a big challenge. Inya masters be brave na omoba no mboa my supervision course for me. Sure academic working there.
Okay, so Achisec Senior High School, money contestant, Munamotimi Akotosu, Mienu, Independence Day, what do you know quiz? Okay, so feeling it to say.
So then the feeling, we are very grateful and happy. We are happy that we were placed the first runner-up at the end of the competition. So then we are very happy, and then the school is also happy as well.
Okay, now Mama no more contesting, more na say.
Okay, for our confidence level was very high. So then before we were already the champions, but let's say it's by the grace and the message of God. That's why we are.
Okay. Okay. Let me ask this question. I said, Oba Independence Day quizzer at Achisec Senior High School. Moya champion where they Eastern region amaya they Majimudin. Na adentina your national science and maths quizzer. Yanti Achisec nka. What's the reason?
For the national science and maths quiz, it's just based on the infrastructures and the facilities. We are lacking behind very much. When it comes to the IT science lab, we have the science lab, but we do not have the equipment in it. That's what's making us lag behind. So then I'll plead with anyone who would like to help us. We would like to get the chance of using the infrastructures like the science laboratory and the equipment. And I think that will help us in the NSMQ.
Okay, so what do you have to tell the old students if they are watching right now?
Okay, so then what I have to tell the old students watching us now is that if they can listen to us and then hear from us, we are just saying that we need an approval from them. We need the science laboratory, IT laboratory, and then computers with equipment to help us and facilitate us our learning.
Okay, so are you going to promise us that next year, Independence Day quiz, national Achisec Senior High School is going to win again?
It is highly obvious that studying from the trend of our old students, we first had regionals. We took the regionals first. That was last year.
Okay.
And then we did it again. And then we went on to take the supernationals this time. And we went to the nationals and we were placed second. So then.
So are you guys okay?
Okay. a big chance that we are going to win next year when we go for the competition.
Okay. So are you guys part of the National Science and Maths quiz team? You're not part?
Other batch.
Oh, okay. So, say your last word so that we will end up.
Okay, so my last words will be the appeal to the elderly people watching us. Anyone who is a philanthropist, anyone who wants to help us in our school, with the infrastructure side, we would be very glad and then promise that person that when he or she helps us, we are going to bring the National Science and Maths quiz and then go to the independence.
Okay, so your name and your position?
I'm Dankwa Kelvin Sako, the main boys prefect.
Saka, Octopus, and as I say, Richmond, watch you didn't know. One head coach for Achisec Senior High quiz team. Year wonders every year. Oh, Independence Day quiz in him. On what deal when him since say Mukura, say quiz in any better train and come kakra. Mr. Octopus and I say Richmond. A day a secret. Oh, year wonders every year.
Oh, they can. That was say Mama Sako. I tell it appears OC. Wow, they know media. You know everything already. It has been a secret now. Nina hard work and dedication. That's the commitment and an empire from day one. These are the three things I push into a different height. You see, about when it comes to your 2 national championship quiz, national ones, your 2 general at the end of your science and maths quiz. The general when it comes to nationwide, Achisec High School is very formidable because I just say display titles, 4 zonal titles and 2 regional titles. Regional titles the record the last 2 years. It's also a could break here as I said one. To share Eastern Regional schools or St. Peter's, Ganas, the both girls, Lucy's own Achisec High School when it comes to the general schools, and it tells you say we are doing well. And this year, national one course, winning from district, it's not easy. District level, zonals, regionals, super zonals, and some national. The whole Ghana, over 1,000 schools, and the second. It tells you say Achisec High School is doing a very wonderful. Hard work, dedication, and prayers, and they could do this now.
Okay, so we are wild and no bagana your quiz academy, Independence Day quiz and a National Science and Maths quiz. Now, a camera say Achisec Senior High School every year be a Timodin Independence Day quiz. Now, National Science and Maths quiz there, the Antimuka, I didn't hear.
As a Osha school now, strengthening general arts. The general arts was very good, mind blowing. So, when you say you brighten the corner where you are, that's the strength of the school. So, you have decided to champion that, now, any more titles. This year, a better one day, when it comes to general arts, and I said, Eastern Regional, not Eastern Regional, nationwide.